Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wish you all a happy new year, and I pray that this year is going to bring a lot of success. It's going to bring a lot of good things, in our ways. So guys, I'm driving from around Oban, the modern market. This is around the Ibeku, and I'm driving from here to Uzuakoli in Bende, local government area of Abia State. So this is from Umuahia North to Bende LGA. Uzuakoli shares a boundary with Umuahia. In fact, if you are coming from Bende local government, and after you just pass Uzuakoli, the next place you're getting to is Umuahia, the state capital of Abia State, Gozon State. So guys, kindly watch this video down to the end if you want to see what it looks like to drive from Umuahia to Bende local government area. The road you're seeing on your screen is part of the 67-kilometer Umuahia stroke Uzuakoli stroke Abiriba to Ohafia road that was flagged off, and I think some part has been commissioned. I learned that the road, I think the Ohafia side has not been completed yet, but major parts of this road has been completed, as you can see, with good drainage system and street lights, like solar powered street lights that makes it easy for you to drive through this road at night, without having to worry about anything. If you're driving through this road at night, if an animal crosses from one side to the other side, you can be able to see it without even your headlamp. But I don't advise you to travel without travel with a vehicle that has headlamp issue. Then you will say that it's Discover Jesse that told you. But the street lights, they shine so bright. So this road was fixed, or let's say reconstructed, by a trade construction company. I made mention of this in my previous video. So what you will be seeing in this video is just the Umuahia and some part of the Uzuakoli section of the road. You can see how beautiful, how nice the road is. But this road, if you know about this road some years ago, you know how bad it was. It was in a deplorable state, but you can see what it is now. It's so smooth, so beautiful. Motorists, businessmen and women that bring in their goods from the rural areas, maybe people like farmers in Uzuakoli. If they want to bring in their food, like their produce, their farm produce, they want to bring it to Umuahia to sell and make enough profit, having a motorable road is no longer a problem. Now this road is very, very okay. They just transport whatever they want to transport, and then apart from farm produce and the rest of them, people, travelers too. Now you can see they say welcome to Umuahia, and then but we are going into Uzuakoli, so it's welcome to Uzuakoli. Uzuakoli is in Bende local government. It's a very popular place. When you mention Bende LGA, Uzuakoli will always come to mind. It's a very popular place, very popular, rich in agriculture, also rich in culture and so many other things. A lot of prominent men and women that come from Uzuakoli. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end if you can. You can tell us what you think in the comment section. If I passed your hood, your area, you can let us know also in the comment section. Have you drove through this road at night? What was your experience? The street lights, were they blaring or shining so bright? You can also tell us in the comment section.